Hello students, parents, and teachers. I am Aisha Gassama here from William Beans Elementary School. And as you all know, starting on April the 27th, 2020, Prince George's County Public School has made the Zoom authentication feature so that only authenticated users are able to join meetings. So that means if you were logging in using a tablet or a phone and you were just clicking the link, and putting in the meeting ID and password, or either just going to zoom.us and joining a meeting and entering the meeting ID and password, you will no longer be able to do that unless you are an authenticated user. So there are two ways for us to do that. The first one would be to go through Clever. So you're going to go into clever.com, and if this is the first time that you've logged into Clever from your device, you want to go to log in as a student. So once you get to log in as a student, it will then ask you for your school name. I am at William Beans Elementary School, so I will use William Beans Elementary School as my school. Once you begin typing in the school name, it will pop up for you to click, and it must say the school name in our district, which is Prince George's County Public Schools. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to ask me to log in with an Active Directory. You also have the choice here to use a Clever badge to log in, but you want to make sure you log in with the Active Directory. So here, it'll ask you to sign in. So when you sign in here, you want to make sure that you're using your username given to you by Prince George's County Public Schools. And most times that will be your first name dot your last name, or your first name hyphen your last name. You're going to enter your password, and I'm going to use mine. So I'm going to sign in. It will bring me to my Clever page, and mine may look a little different because I'm doing teacher access. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to find the Zoom app. And once you do that, it will take you into your Zoom account. Okay, you're going to sign in to configure your account. And from here, you will go to join a meeting. Of course, my screen looks different because I have a bunch of meetings already scheduled, but I'm going to go in to join a meeting. And this is where you will enter the meeting ID given to you by your teacher. And then you're going to hit join. After you hit join, it will prompt you to enter a password, and then you'll sign into the account. So that's the first way to enter Zoom via Clever. The second way is simply going to zoom.us. So once you go into zoom.us, you do not want to go to join a meeting, because again, that means that you wouldn't be authenticated. So you want to go to sign in. And even if you do have an account with Zoom, you don't want to use that account. You want to go to zoom.us and hit sign in. And instead of using your email address and password, if you do have one, you're going to go down to sign in with SSO. Now, when you go to sign in with SSO, it's asking you to enter your company domain. The company domain for Prince George's County is pgcps-org. So pgcps-org. And you want to hit continue. Once you do that, it'll then bring you to the sign-in screen again, and you'll enter your PGCPS username and password, and then you'll hit join a meeting. And after you join the meeting, you'll enter your meeting ID, and you'll hit join, and then again, you'll enter your password, and you'll be able to log into the meeting. I will post this video onto YouTube, and underneath of that, I will have the directions in English and in Spanish. So I hope this all helps, and we'll see you on our Zoom classrooms bright and early at Monday morning. Have a good one. Thank you.